Studio
Is that a squirrel
party.
singing?
It is a kitty cat. Is that a kitty cat? Or a rat singing? Yeah. Oh my goodness. There's another one. Dramatic communication.
No, we're not there yet. We're about halfway there. Halfway.
Sleeping outside tonight.
Stuff it with your finger. Wow. Here we are in Hamamatsu, playing with balls. That's where we're going. Suzuki. Suzuki.
Every single one of them is a Suzuki.
Any one of these strong?
Yeah, that one.
Another fabulous set of stairs here in Japan. Can you stop that? We're walking downstairs again. Oh! I didn't have to walk. Oh.
We're at Suzuki Plaza. This is the Suzuki Museum movie theatre. We're going to watch a 3D movie on how to make a Suzuki vehicle.
With all the welding and the bending.
Bending, painting.
It's going to be cool. And I think we get to wear 3D glasses. We saw forging and pressing and welding.
Spot welding to the
all wonderfully explained by Mr. Mr. Know Everything TV and the Suzuki Kid.
Fantastic.
It was really good.
How different are the weights of those materials? Here demonstrated by Zoe.
Ooh, heavy. Light, so yes. Ooh, very light.
Which iron rod fits this gauge? I've got to see. So no.
Which one is it? Which one is
We
it?
don't know. I think we're happy with that.
3, 2, 4.
That's very nice.
Peter, where are you?
Oh, dropping altitude. You got to follow the.
Zoe's an excellent driver. Well,
You got to follow the planes in front of you. Those ones. Actually, you're doing quite well, Soz.
eel farming in Lake Hamana started in the 1890s.
The founder of television.
Is he Mr. Know-It-All TV?
He is Mr. Know-It-All TV. He's the well-renowned father of television.
This is an automatic loom with a shuttle box on the left side for mounting of 4 shuttles. It is also equipped with a device for saving the cards used for programming the patterns to be woven.
Seems too much to bear alone, too much to take it on. I'd rather just go home. Wish that it was, wish that it wasn't, wish that you could and wish they would. Wish on a star over the rainbow, knock on wood, then do it all again. Nobody will ever do it for you. They're out there chasing ghosts and they'll never see it through. Just like a New Year's resolution, that rubbery deadline for success.
I think it'd be a good idea to have a vehicle that young families and couples can ride comfortably and which they can use casually. That's what I think too.
Until then, there's so much to see, so much to do, so much to say, so little time. So much to earn, so much to spend, so much to give, so little time. So much to get, so much to want, so much to need, so little time. So far
We got people over here. Who we got?
So I'm here in my yukata and slippers as provided by the hotel here in Hamamatsu. We actually checked in a few hours ago and then we went and had dinner out. It was Mexican, so yay. Anyway, this is the room. We're a little messy, we're settling in. So we've hung up all our clothes in the closet. And you can see they've got a little hanger there. So if you wanted to hang some ties or if you wanted to sneakily wash your socks and undies, you could use that to hang them up. The shelving, this we used a lot of because it's a smoking room and it's still pretty stinky, but one night it'll do fine. Nice big beds with our stuff all over them at the moment, but that's okay. We also have a beautiful desk area and, oh, hello again, a nice little couch with a little coffee table there. View is of the street. Not much to see out there, but we're really, really close to the station. And the bathroom is pretty standard for Japan. There's our toilet again with exciting panel. Little sink, all the amenities they've got there. And the good old shower bathtub combo, very tiny bath. Yes.
You know Flash.
To play them all.
this musical instrument can be played.
What are you about to do,
I'm
Rachel?
about to play this beautiful angelic instrument.
Over it. Banjo.
You played with him?
She'll trumpet.
Now we will play the zebra.
And that's how it's done. How Western am I just magically found the major chord.
Must be out of tune then.
So wrong. I can't.
We had to get back to the station to catch our train to Hakone.
It's a Fianetta.
Look at this. Look at this. It's an interactive timeline. Wowzers. beautiful area of Hakone is where we're planning to spend the next few days. Join us on the journey.